Come on, we're in Mallow.
What's that? How are you? Quick, Sophie, get up. Where's your school bag? Here, put it on your back. Come on, But we have to get to Charleville.
Not my problem.
But we have to get to Charleville. We're going to meet your dad. And then we're going to the races. He's a good man.
If he's such a good man, get him to come and collect you. Last bus for Charleville left an hour ago.
We really going to see my dad?
We are. And he's going to take care of us.
What's he like?
Ah, now, he's really tall. And he's all hairy. And on a cold night, you could climb up into his fur and he'd keep you all nice and toasty. And he's really excited to meet you.
I need the toilet.
You all right?
Yeah.
Thanks. Thanks. Do you like that?
I prefer Coke.
Are you glad to see me? You've gotten big. Here, wait till you see. Sophie! What you think? Do I look sexy? Come on, let's go. Gorgeous. Just look at you. Look at me. Lovely. Smack your lips. Just a little. Just
Harriet.
John. How are you?
Who's this?
Sophie. Are we going to the races?
The races?
Yeah.
Yeah. The races. Come on. Meet the lads.
All right, lads. Minding you. This isn't the races.
Nobody said there'd be houses.
Oh, there's two everywhere, Sophie. That was lovely. Here. Deadly.
You lift me.
Hey, where's our sock?
Lost it.
Where's Sophie?
Sophie! Sophie!
Sophie!
Sophie! Sophie! Did you see a little girl? You saw her. He saw. Sophie!
You can't do that, Sophie. You can't just walk away and leave me like that. That's not nice. That's not allowed. Jesus, I thought you left me. You can't leave me, Sophie. I thought you were gone. I thought you left me. Come on, we go. She just went for a little walk. Isn't that it? You never dance in the sun? You nearly banged into that man. We're very sorry. Oh, don't mind this man. Sorry, man. Sorry.
How old are you?
9.
Would you like some beer? That's homework.
Don't fucking call her that. Fuck off!
I don't know what to do with her.
You're not my dad, are you?
I'm not your dad. I don't know what she told you, but I'm not your dad. I'm not your dad. I'm sorry.
They didn't say you could take me, did they?
If I had a home, then they'd let me keep you. I need you.
When was the last time you took one of these?
I don't need them. They make me muddled. I don't need them!
Why did you say he was me dad?
Look. This is your real dad. I don't know where the fuck he is, Sophie. I don't know where he is, but I'll make us a family again. I will. I'll make us a home. I will. I'll find him and I'll find him and I'll make us a family again. Yeah. That'd be nice. That'd be nice.
We are a family. You need to take these.
No, don't make me. Please don't make me take them, Sophie.
You have to.
I don't want to. I don't want to take them.
You sure picking lunch yet?
Yeah.
Approaching around upstairs, eh?
Yeah.
Pink dress on and do my hair up tight. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. eyes. And he's got those big brown eyes. I can't believe me like he's mine. Not that he's no worse. Girls, you know his love is serious.